tons of cost, I'm so icy.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
How you doing?
Hey, how you doing? I saw you playing. I figured I'd stop by.
Yes, sir.
So I do a lot of YouTube videos.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Jacob Viral.
Yes, sir. Could you tell me what's in here real quick and your name?
Yeah, we got two VXF12s on a Terry 8K.
Okay.
Then got two UN 6.5 in each door with GS18 tweeters, tweeters. And then they're on a 2K. Amps.
Nice. Is this like a 6th order blowthrough
Yeah.
or 4th? Wow.
6.
That's a pretty unique design.
Yeah, Nick built it. Southern Sounds.
Very nice. And you still got your back. Okay, so it's like a partial blowthrough
Right
in the back.
before the wheel well.
Okay, there you go.
I had to cut the wheel well a little bit.
You did? Okay. Yes, sir.
Sacrifices.
Nice. And your amplifiers behind the seat?
Yeah, I got one right here. That seat doesn't recline because the thing's broken.
Okay. Yep.
But
What are your amps wired to?
I think I'm only wired to 1 ohm. I don't know. Nick wired them, so.
Okay.
But I think it's only at 1. I'm not doing anything crazy like half.
Yes, sir. You know your specs on your enclosure, tuning wise or anything?
Yeah, it's tuned to 52 on the front port and 26 on the rear port.
Sounds like a low-end monster then. All right.
Yeah, it plays a little bit of everything. It's nice. I love it.
Okay. I love to hear it, man.
And I'm running LTO lithium bank, deleted the front battery, and a 320 amp JS alternator.
Okay. All right. That sums it up. All right. What's your name?
Andrew.
Appreciate it, man. I'm gonna go look at the back and all.
Yeah.
I just like to look at everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
Alright, let's get you the good song.
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I can never tell. I am no chasing after you. It's like a fairy tale. I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
bit better for the lows.
Nice job on the bandwidth.
Yes, sir. I love it.
Really
Especially
efficient.
When you roll down the window, too. Here, roll down that window.
Okay.
I'll give you a little bit of
up to probably what, 55, 60 hertz.
Yeah.
Solid. Appreciate it, man.
That's right.
What was your name?